Which crystal matches your zodiac sign? Unlock your power gemstone. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of your astrological gems? Discover which crystals align with your zodiac sign and empower you to tap into your full potential. Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to the Quantum Mind, the space where energy meets intention. Today we're diving into the radiant world of crystals and how they align with your zodiac sign. Since ancient times, civilizations from Egypt to India have used crystals for healing, wisdom, and spiritual alignment. And modern astrology is now rediscovering just how powerful these energy tools really are. Get ready to enhance your intuition, boost your energy, and attract more abundance. All by working with the perfect crystal for your unique zodiac sign. The Cosmic Connection. Before we get into the crystal pairings, let's quickly explore the zodiac. Each of the 12 signs carries its own energy signature, a unique blend of traits, tendencies, and elemental influence. Aries is bold and fiery, Cancer is intuitive and nurturing, Libra seeks harmony and balance, and so on. Just like you have a birth chart, you also have a vibrational blueprint. Crystals with their stable atomic patterns help anchor, amplify, and harmonize your energy field. Modern astrologers and energy healers are now combining crystal therapy with astrology, creating custom crystal grids, chakra balances, and manifestation rituals. And today we're mapping the perfect match for your sign, crystal pairings for each zodiac sign. Aries, carnelian, for confidence, passion, and grounding your bold fire. Taurus, rose quartz, to soften resistance, attract love, and deepen self-worth. Gemini, citrine, boosts creativity, joy, and mental clarity. Cancer, moonstone, aligns with lunar energy, emotional healing, and intuition. Leo, sunstone, enhances joy, personal power, and radiant expression. Virgo, amazonite, calms perfectionism, supports nervous system and communication. Libra, lapis lazuli, strengthens truth, justice, and heart-mind alignment. Scorpio, obsidian, deep shadow work, protection, and rebirth energy. Sagittarius, amethyst, expands spiritual awareness, peace, and insight. Capricorn, black tourmaline, grounding, protective, and clears fear-based thinking. Aquarius, labradorite, enhances visionary thinking and intuitive knowing. Pisces, fluorite, clears energy fog, stabilizes mood, and sharpens spiritual clarity. Don't forget to check your moon and rising signs too. Those placements can offer even deeper guidance. Practical crystal magic. Want to use these crystals? Here's how. Carry them in your pocket or wear them as jewelry. Place them under your pillow for dream work. Meditate with them on your chakras. Cleanse with moonlight, sound bowls, or smoke. Charge with intentions during new or full moons. Tip: create a mini altar with your sign's crystal and a written intention. This simple ritual can powerfully shift your energy. Crystals are more than just beautiful, they're ancient tools tuned to Earth's intelligence. So which one is calling your name? Drop your sign and crystal match in the comments, and let's compare notes. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more energy-aligned content from the Quantum Mind. Remember, your energy creates your reality, and with the right tools, anything is possible.